Hi, to enable and disable keyboard sound on iPhone 16e, firstly you need to find and open settings on the phone, and right now find sounds and objects in the list. After that, start scrolling down and you will see the section keyboard feedback. So, if you wanna disable keyboard sound, then you need to tap on this upper switcher so it will be white. And now you will not hear any sounds when using your keyboard. To enable, just tap it like that so it will light up green and you will hear a sound when using keyboard. But if you got silent mode turned on, like in my case, then you will not hear any sounds when using keyboard even if you enabled it in settings. To hear it, you need to disable silent mode. And additionally, you can enable or disable haptic feedback for your keyboard, which is like a slight vibration. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.